In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show hidden files in Obsidian so you can finally see those .dot folders and system files that usually stay out of sight. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by launching Obsidian and opening your vault. Then, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open Settings. From the sidebar, go to Files and Links and scroll down to Excluded Files. This is where Obsidian keeps rules that hide certain items from your file view. Look for patterns like .star, which hides all .dot files, or anything that says attachments or custom folders you don't want to see. If you want those hidden files visible, simply delete the rule that hides them. For example, remove .star to make all .dot files show up again. Next, open the File Explorer in the left sidebar. You might need to close and reopen it or restart Obsidian to refresh the file visibility. Now look for folders starting with a dot, like .obsidian or .troche. These are the most common hidden items inside Obsidian. But here's the important part. Obsidian's own settings only control visibility inside the app. To truly see hidden files at the system level, open your computer's File Explorer. On Windows, go to View and check Hidden Items. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and the period key. On Linux, you can usually use Ctrl-H. Navigate to your Vault folder, and you will now see everything, including the .obsidian folder. This folder stores all your plugins, settings, and workspace data, and it's hidden by default for safety. You can also use Search to find hidden files. Press Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus F, then type the file name directly. Even files that are excluded from the file view will still appear in search results. If you have community plugins that manage files, some of them might hide or filter files on their own, so temporarily disabling those plugins can help. After making changes, always refresh the vault cache by restarting Obsidian or reopening your vault. Then check the File Explorer again to confirm the hidden files are now visible. If the vault feels cluttered, you can re-enable some exclusions later. A better long-term approach is to use folder organization instead of hiding files. Create folders like Attachments, Templates, or Archive to keep everything visible but tidy. Just keep in mind that on mobile, hidden file behavior is more restricted, so system-level hidden files may not show up at all. Common hidden files you will see include .obsidian for settings and plugins, .troche for deleted notes, and .dzotster on a Mac. One safety tip: avoid editing anything inside .obsidian unless you know what you're doing, because it controls your entire vault configuration. That's it. You now have full control over what appears in Obsidian's File Explorer and your system view, so you can see every hidden file you need. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.